Hello guys, today we learn how to insert a node after a specified position in English using C program. For this you have required Visual Studio Code, MinGW compiler and C++ extension installed in Visual Studio Code. When we talk about insertion of node after a specified position means already we have a linked list having a node like you can see in the pictures like a linked list we have three node 358 value and their address is head address 1000, first node 1001, second node 1002 and last address is 0. Now I want to insert a new node after a specified position 2, so this new node will be inserted here. So how can we implement this? Let us see our logic. First need to understand the logic. Here you can see three nodes. Now I want to insert after specified positions means insert here. This is position number 2. Now this node will be inserted here. Linked list, as you know, it is connected through the address, data and pointer. So first we need to transfer from first node to second and second node to onward. Here need to transfers. Here you can see head equal to temp. So we define a variable. You can see here a pointer variable temp type a structure node. So define a pointer variable temp and here you can see temp equal to next. To define a temp and here you can write temp equal to head. Means what will happen if you write temp equal to head, then head address temp address will be 1000. Uh, to go in the position 2, first we need to transfer from head to first node and this node. So this we can achieve through the uh, transversing like through the temp next. So we will we use here a while loop. So here you can see I am implementing while loop integer I equal to 1 and while I less than positions, and here we can transfer through the temp variable. So temp equal to temp hyphen right angle bracket next and I plus plus. When integer I equal to 1 means when we will execute this loop, then what will happen like I less than I equal to 1, then 1 less than position equal to 2, then this statement will be executed temp equal to temp next. First you can see here temp equal to 1000. When you write temp next, then it will point to here, and now temp address will be 1001. So we can write here 1001. So here we can reach temp value 1001. This address will pointing to this node mean position 2. Now when I becomes 2, I equal to when I equal to 2, 2 less than position 2, 2 less than equal to 2, that is false. This statement will break and we comes here outside this while loop. Now we reach here you can see temp equal to 1001. So we reach here this position number 2. When we define temp next, means we will get this address 5, that is data value, and address of this node will be 1000, and address 1002 you can see here this point to this last address. So here we get the position 2 and address of this node also, and address of this node also, and value item node 5. Now when we reach here next, so we get here you can see 1001. Now I am swiping link to, now I want to link to new node to, now I want to insert new node to here. So what will we can do, first we link this new node to last node, means link to this node, so value will not break. So what we will write here, now when these positions will be executed from here and break this, here we will get temp next, means 1001. So I want to insert new node to this, means new node next, address of this. What will address of this? Temp dot next. Means here you can see temp 1001, and when we will get temp next, then our pointer will be reach here from here to here. So and also we know that belongs to this, means address of this will be 1002, then new node next equal to temp dot next, temp dot next with this one, means this new node will be linked to this node, and after that we write here you can the temp here already reach 1001, temp next means 1002, means now I want to override this address of this new node. So temp next equal to new node, address of new node means 1002 will becomes to 1003. So this way we can done the insert a new node after position 2. Now see the whole programs how can do that. So now you can see these programs how can we achieve it. Already you have done the write a program, now let us understand. Include studio.h, include stdlive.h, and include conio.h. Here we define a main function void main, and how can represent a linked list. So through the structure node integer data and structure node pointer next. It's define the cells represent the singly linked list. Now represent the head and tail of the singly linked list. Now you define a structure node, head variables, pointer, new node pointer, and temporary variable, pointer variable to the structure node. Here for null value we have defined head equal to 0, integer choice, integer position, and define integer node count equal to 1 integer I. While choice, create a new node. How can do that? New node equal to structure node, malloc size of structure node. We define a dynamic memory location here, and please enter the data value. So you can write here scanf %d and new node hyphen right angular bracket and data. So here we can insert a node value. Now if head equal to 0, then head equal to temp equal new node we can define. If head not equal to 0, then we will insert new node after the tail. So how can do that? Temp next equal to new node, and new node will become new tail of the list. So temp equal to new node. Now here you can ask users to enter the nodes in a linked list. Print, do you want to continue? Press 1, otherwise 0. And here you can write scan a %d and choice. New node next equal to 0 for the last node. After that you write here, you can see temp equal to head to transfers. Check if the list is empty. Display all the nodes present in the list. So we can do that through the temp not equal to 0. So we can write here print linked list data temp hyphen greater data and temp equal to temp hyphen greater next. So we transferring from one to another through the address, and here we are printing the data, displaying the data. Now I want to insert a new node. Here you can see the creation of new node after a node means getting a linked list. Now I want to insert a new node after a given position. So first we need to define a position where we want to insert. Here also we have defined a for new node equal to structure node malloc size of structure node, defining a dynamic memory location for new node. Here defining the position and getting the position from the users. And here we can check position greater than new node count, already where you can define node count. If a node have a value, linked list have a value or not. So if position greater than node count, invalid position. As we already we see temp equal to head, and here we check while I less than position temp equal to temp next I plus plus. Here want to insert after position 2, then position 2, and this will what will happen, 1 less than 2, that is true. It will get the temp next value in temp, and I plus plus. When I equal to 2, then this will be false and it will outside of this loop. And after that, if this will be outside, then also need to insert a new node, take the users. So we can what we can do, create a new node for this, printf enter the new data and percent the new node hyphen greater right angular bracket and data. Here pointing the address of the linking the node. How can link the node? So simply we write new node next equal to temp next. You can see through the example, and temp next equal to new node. So this will swap and link the node in the linked list. After that, now display all the node in the linked list. So temp equal to head and temp not equal to 0. Printf now linked list is temp hyphen greater right angular braces and data, and transfer through the this temp next. Please enter the value. First you write like 3, 3, then press enter. If you want to continue, press 1, again enter. Enter the data value for second node like 5, 5, press again enter. Do you want to continue? Yes, then 8. Do you want to continue? Otherwise 0 for exist. Enter. 358. You can see the present linked list data. Please enter the position we want to insert the new new node. After it, please enter the position where you want to insert new node. After it, press 2 for position 2, and now press enter. enter the new data like new node 7. So in write 7 and press enter. So you can see here our new node.
Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.